Okay, today's question. You've got a stained glass window that's damaged. Is it worth fixing? Now let's take a look at an example. This is an antique painted panel in what's known as the Renaissance Revival style. This arrived at our shop in need of serious restoration. The panel was sagging, several sections were cracked, the putty was loose, and an earlier repairer had replaced a broken light here, but was unable to reproduce the floral painting. Now, to understand why panels like these are worth fixing, remember that back in the early 1900s, almost no home of any consequence was built without art glass. Stained glass could even be ordered from Sears Roebuck, as you see in this 1910 catalogue, where the popular style back then was Art Nouveau. Stained glass is therefore part of growing up for many nostalgic baby boomers who have made small panels like these very collectible, often left in their original shabby chic frames and hung in windows or on walls as decorator items evocative of their carefree childhood. Because of this popularity, genuine examples currently cost in the $1,000 to $3,000 range, depending on the size and design, and are therefore well worth repairing, as minor restorations can be done for $200 to $300. Now, returning to our case history, this example is noteworthy for the wild rose pattern, which repeats around the panel. A previous repair had left one portion unfinished, so our restoration experts traced and digitized the floral motif and prepared a stencil in order to repaint the clear panel. The window was then thoroughly cleaned, reputted and strengthened with protective tempered glass. The panel had sentimental value to the owner, making the restoration doubly worthwhile. The takeaway from this video is that antique stained glass is often worth repairing, but reproductions like these, which can be purchased new for $150 to $300, may not be. So to find out, bring your stained glass to our Midtown workshop. We can appraise your panels, distinguish between genuine antiques and reproductions, and give you free repair estimates. Artistry in Glass since 1986.